It's a sweltering summer day, and your air conditioner is cranked up to the max. You're expecting that cool, refreshing breeze to sweep through every room, but some areas feel like a sauna while others are icy cold. Frustrating, right? Well, that's exactly what happened to me some time back, and it led me down a rabbit hole of duct-related discoveries. Today, I'm here to share my newfound knowledge about when to replace your ductwork. So, if you want to avoid living in an indoor climate roller coaster, stick around. You might not think much about your home's air ducts, but trust me, they play a crucial role in maintaining your indoor comfort. Think of them as the respiratory system of your house, constantly breathing life into your home by circulating fresh, conditioned air throughout all the nooks and crannies. These hidden conduits ensure consistent temperature and humidity levels, creating a comfortable living environment with improved indoor air quality. However, as time passes, your ductwork can suffer from wear and tear, just like any other part of your home. Dust particles can accumulate inside, leading to potential blockages that reduce the efficiency and performance of your HVAC system. Worse yet, aged or damaged ductwork may develop leaks, causing conditioned air to escape before reaching its intended destination. This results in wasted energy and increased utility bills, something none of us want. Now that you understand the significance of your ductwork, let's delve into when it's time to replace it. One clear indicator is an unexpected spike in your energy bills. Leaky ducts can cause up to 30% of conditioned air to escape, leading to inefficient heating and cooling and higher than normal utility costs. Another red flag is inconsistent room temperatures. If you notice certain rooms are significantly hotter or colder than others, it might be due to damaged ducts restricting airflow. Thermal imaging technology can help diagnose these issues, indicating where potential problems lie within your ventilation system. One more critical aspect to consider is mold growth inside your air ducts. Not only is this a health hazard, especially for those with allergies or respiratory conditions, but it also compromises indoor air quality. If you suspect mold growth, immediate attention is vital to maintain a healthy living environment. When it comes to replacing your ductwork, you'll want skilled professionals to handle the task. Start by seeking recommendations from your circle of friends and family who have recently had their systems serviced or replaced. Checking online reviews on platforms like Yelp can also provide valuable insights. A look for HVAC installers with credentials from organizations like NATE, as this ensures their proficiency and compliance with industry guidelines. Additionally, ensure your installer uses a checklist during installation to guarantee a systematic approach and thorough execution of tasks. A post-installation inspection should cover airflow rates, leak tests, and more to ensure everything functions correctly before project completion. Last, make sure your chosen professionals provide post-installation tips for maintaining your new air ducts, including regular cleaning schedules, filter inspections, and vigilance for signs of potential problems. Remember, maintenance is the key to longevity and optimal performance for your HVAC system, including your air ducts. Routine checkups are essential to identify and address potential issues before they escalate, saving you time, money, and stress down the line. A well-maintained system reduces energy consumption and ensures efficient HVAC performance. Regular cleaning is crucial to keep your ducts running smoothly, as dust accumulation can create blockages and reduce airflow efficiency. The NADCO recommends professional cleanings every 3 to 5 years, depending on specific factors like pets or allergies. Timely repairs are also necessary to avoid minor issues turning into major complications that affect your indoor comfort and increase energy consumption. There you have it. Don't let your home's comfort hang in the balance. Take charge of your indoor climate and ensure optimal performance for your HVAC system. Replace those aging ducts and you'll experience a world of difference in your energy bills and overall living environment. Remember, procrastination only leads to higher utility costs and compromised indoor air quality. So take action now. Reach out to Anthem at 951-389-5151 if you're in the Inland Empire, or dial 760-895-26214 for Coachella Valley residents. Your home deserves the best, and with Anthem's expert touch, you'll be on the fast track to a comfortable, efficient, and healthier living space. Hit that like button and subscribe to stay informed about more ways to improve your home. Don't wait, make the call today and let Anthem revolutionize your home's comfort.